I'm still curious. How did we land in a place where we have done the complete art direction and now the client likes nothing out of it?
But we already discussed this with the client during the discovery call and she approved of it.
Like, this is the direction that they wanted to go in.
Yes.
It can't be this big of a mismatch. Plus, we also have to read between the lines, like what clients actually want and what they are initially expecting. Plus, I think the biggest flaw in this one is like, why are we sending an art direction, which is inherently something that we use for alignment? आर्ट डायरेक्शन से तो अलाइनमेंट आना है क्लाइंट को कि कैसा हमें ब्रांड बनाना है. अब वो कॉल पे जाके दिखाओगे ना, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर थिंकिंग सो दैट वी कैन गेट द डायरेक्ट थॉट्स. अब तो वो पूरा रिजेक्ट हो गया, अब फिर से बनाना पड़ेगा. गेट द प्रॉब्लम.
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक नेक्स्ट वाला जो हम वर्जन अब बनाएंगे, अब क्लैरिटी है व्हाट वी हैव टू बिल्ड.
Yes.
Let's say we work on this week, but next time let's tell them कि come on a call, let's present it to you so that you can explain fully कि क्यों बनाए हैं, इनका लॉजिक क्या है.
But what if she rejects it after we present?
If they reject, then you'll also get clear direction कि okay, this is what we not like. Your agenda is to not to get something fully approved. Your agenda is कि what do they like, what do they not like. So on the call though, that will be clear. There has to be something that they do like. क्योंकि अब आपका फीडबैक है, अब क्लैरिटी है आपके पास एक और लेवल की. So अब तो अप्रूव मतलब होना ही चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. Plus you will discuss it, so it will be better. Make sense?
Yeah, pretty much.